I'm going to replace this plug right here because you can see the tab here is missing, and these little pieces of tape are just for my own reference. Just makes it easier to find what you're looking for rather than looking at each plug every time you need to find something. It's just easier to use these for reference. And so first things first with these plugs is they always have these little white, no, they're not always white, some have been yellow, but you do have to pull these up. This one was a little different than the others. This one goes side to side. In most cases they pop straight up, but this one can come off all the way because it's not going to be reused anyway. So that piece that I just pulled off is what keeps the metal pins in alignment. And I'm using this harness pin tool set. It's kind of difficult to see. Well, might be difficult to see altogether, but down. So here's where the female portion of the pin is, and it's metal all the way around here, and then right above it is a plastic tab, and you want to lift up on it. In a lot of cases they will break off almost as soon as you touch them. And the way that you know whether it's off or not is tug on them, just like that. The only thing is, you do want to be careful. Make sure you have your new plug ready before you yank these out, because you want to make sure you put those wires right back where they came from. Here is the new plug, and this is OEM, and the part number is 10887, and obviously it's a different color. I didn't show it, but prior to replacing these, you want to match them up to make sure, although the color is not the same, the plug is the same. So all I'm going to do is take these plugs, orient the plugs the same way, pull the old one off, and then put the new one on, and you know they're good when you hear them click. Alright, so that one's good as new, replaced. And then you want to make sure you close this gate. There you go, good as new. Going to replace this plug right here because the pin is not sitting in there correctly. So this one will be replaced with this one, which is part number 11428. First things first, got to move this piece. So this one popped up, and you can yank it all the way out. Normally they stop midway, so that's just to get, that just keeps the pin stable. And then what you have to do is remove the plastic tab on the inside. Either move it or break it. In my case, I just broke it. So that one is out. Get the new plug right here. Got them side by side. Just pull this one out. It doesn't go straight up and down, it goes sideways. So that one's now replaced. this back in. There you go. That one's done now too.